Tired of juggling countless marketing tools? Feeling overwhelmed by the sheer number of platforms you need to manage daily? Is your budget groaning under the weight of expensive subscriptions? Are you constantly worried about the mounting costs of these tools? There's a better way. Introducing AI Supreme, the revolutionary all-in-one AI platform designed to streamline your marketing efforts and save you a bundle. Say goodbye to the chaos and hello to efficiency. Imagine replacing over 25 individual marketing apps with a single, powerful solution. Think of the time and money you'll save. AI Supreme empowers you to create compelling content, design stunning visuals, optimize your website, and manage your entire marketing strategy seamlessly. And even produce engaging videos, all from one intuitive dashboard. It's like having a full marketing team at your fingertips. No more switching between platforms, no more compatibility headaches, and no more budget drain. Simplify your workflow and reduce stress. AI Supreme is here to revolutionize your marketing game. Embrace the future of marketing and watch your business thrive. For years, I struggled with the same challenges as many marketers. The constant search for the right tools, the frustration of managing multiple subscriptions, and the feeling of being overwhelmed by it all. I've tried it all: content generators, graphic design software, SEO analyzers, video editing tools, you name it. While some offered glimpses of brilliance, I always found myself longing for a more integrated and efficient solution. Then came AI Supreme. Finally, a single platform that could handle all my marketing needs without breaking the bank. AI Supreme is not just another marketing tool, it's a paradigm shift. It's about simplifying your workflow, maximizing your ROI, and unlocking your true marketing potential. This innovative platform leverages the power of artificial intelligence to automate tasks, generate creative assets, and provide data-driven insights, all within a user-friendly interface. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, AI Supreme empowers you to achieve exceptional results without the complexity and cost of traditional marketing solutions. Section 4. Unlocking the power of AI Supreme. Key features explored. Dive into the world of AI Supreme and discover how it can revolutionize your marketing strategies. AI Supreme is packed with features designed to elevate your marketing game. From content creation to SEO optimization, it has everything you need. AI Content Generator. Say goodbye to writer's block. This tool helps you generate ideas and content effortlessly. Generate high-quality SEO-optimized content for blog posts, articles, social media, and more. Never worry about content quality again. Just input your keywords and watch as AI Supreme crafts engaging and original content tailored to your needs. It's like having a personal writer at your fingertips. Graphic design tool. Create stunning visuals without needing a design degree. Perfect for marketers and small business owners. Choose from a vast library of templates or start from scratch. Customize every detail to match your brand's identity. AI Supreme makes it easy to design eye-catching graphics for social media, websites, ads, and more. Stand out in the digital crowd. SEO Optimization. Dominate search engine rankings and attract more organic traffic. Get ahead of your competition with ease. AI Supreme analyzes your website and provides actionable recommendations to improve your SEO performance. Implement these tips and watch your traffic grow. Video creation. Harness the power of video marketing with ease. Create compelling videos that captivate your audience. AI Supreme allows you to create professional-looking videos using templates, stock footage, and even AI-generated voiceovers. Elevate your video marketing strategy effortlessly. Section 5. AI Supreme in Action, a live demo experience. Seeing is believing. Let's dive into a live demo of AI Supreme and experience its intuitive interface and powerful features firsthand. As you can see, AI Supreme is incredibly user-friendly, even for those new to AI-powered marketing tools. Its intuitive design and powerful features make it a joy to use, allowing you to focus on what matters most: growing your business. Section 6. Unbeatable value pricing and exclusive bonuses. AI Supreme offers exceptional value compared to the cost of subscribing to multiple individual tools. You'll be amazed at how affordable it is to access this comprehensive suite of marketing solutions. But wait, there's more! For a limited time, we're offering exclusive bonuses to help you maximize your success with AI Supreme. These bonuses, combined with AI Supreme's already incredible value, make this an opportunity you won't want to miss. Section 7. Your marketing ally. Who benefits most from AI Supreme? Let's dive into the various groups that can harness the power of AI Supreme to elevate their marketing game. AI Supreme is the ideal solution for a wide range of users, each benefiting uniquely from its advanced features and capabilities. Entrepreneurs and small business owners. Streamline your marketing efforts, save time, and achieve professional results without breaking the bank. With AI Supreme, you can focus on growing your business while the software handles the heavy lifting. Marketers and agencies. Boost your productivity, impress your clients, and scale your operations with AI-powered efficiency. AI Supreme helps you manage multiple campaigns effortlessly, ensuring you deliver top-notch results every time. Content creators and bloggers. Overcome writer's block, create engaging content, and optimize your work for maximum reach. AI Supreme provides you with the tools to craft compelling stories and articles that captivate your audience. Anyone looking to simplify their marketing and achieve better results, AI Supreme is your all-in-one solution for success. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, this software adapts to your needs and helps you excel. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Time is of the essence, and the sooner you integrate AI Supreme into your workflow, the faster you'll see transformative results. Join the AI marketing revolution today and experience the future of marketing with AI Supreme. Embrace innovation and watch your marketing efforts soar to new heights.